Good morning.
This.
What's that? You got an ice cream cone?
Yeah.
We're gonna film what I eat in a day. We're gonna show everybody what we've been loving. All the food we've been loving.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite food, Nalia?
Favorite oatmeal.
Oatmeal? Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Today is going to be what I eat in a day. I want to share all of our current favorite recipes with you. One of Nalia's favorite things right now is oatmeal. So that is what we're gonna start with. Right, baby?
Yeah.
So we call this oatmeal, but it's more of a chia pudding slash kind of overnight oats that I make the evening before. The recipe for this is approximately 3 tablespoons of oats with 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then I do a scoop of collagen as well for some protein and a dash of cinnamon and cardamom. Mix that together and then pour over about a cup of oat milk on top and just stir it up and let it sit in the fridge overnight. And you get this really delicious creamy chia oat pudding that's rich in healthy omega-3s and lots of good fiber. And then I'll put some frozen wild blueberries on top, some almond butter, and then I'm also making myself my warm water with lemon. I've been pre-squeezing lemon juice and freezing it in these little mini silicone freezer trays, and it makes it so easy to prep this in the morning. I just pop out a frozen lemon cube, add some warm water, and it's ready.
We've been sitting here at her desk lately eating breakfast. She's kind of over sitting in her high chair for breakfast. And sometimes we'll feed all of her toys and her little stuffed animals. They will all sit here and I feed the animals and then I feed her. It's very sweet. Cheers.
More.
Is it sour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More this.
And then moving on to my breakfast, I've been loving this combo lately. So I do 2 fried eggs and then some sourdough toast with mashed avocado. I add some smoked salmon on top and then some fresh arugula and then the eggs. This is so delicious, this combination. It's so good. It's been my go-to the last few weeks, and Nalia will also have some of this. She pretty much has everything Mo and I have, like little bites throughout the day.
What you got there? So many stickers.
Yeah.
So I will have that, and then I will make myself my matcha. This is my favorite one from Peak. The quality is so good. It tastes so clean and just so amazing. I would highly recommend it. I will have an offer link down below for you in the description box. And I will sip on this as I'm with Nalia for the rest of the morning and then getting ready for the day. And I love it.
Okay, Nalia is now asleep. I wanted to open a very special package that recently arrived. This is Nalia's new KiwiCo Panda Crate, and this is always such an exciting time for both her and me. It means we have new activities and toys to play with, and this is a subscription box that comes every 2 months, and the Panda Crates are designed for ages 0 to 36 months, and each Panda Crate is research-backed, and they contain toys and activities that are specific for your child's current developmental stage. So let's open up this Panda Crate. So I have the 19 to 24 months Panda Crate Plus for Nalia, and the theme for this is hand-eye coordination. I also love the Wonder Play Guides that come with each Panda Crate. These explain exactly what is happening with your child developmentally at their age, and also what all the toys are meant to do and how to best interact with them with your child. So first up, we have this really beautiful star drop maze. These wood color blocks that you can lay on top of each other to create different colors. These balancing crayons, she's so into painting right now, so those are perfect. And then this little wooden car with these little people that I believe you can also use the color blocks with. And each of the items are designed with high quality and non-toxic materials. They're designed to last, and they just look beautiful as well. Kids are always changing and growing, and their interests are evolving, and it's just so nice to know as a parent that KiwiCo does all of that extensive research. They work with childhood developmental experts to create these incredible toys and activities that are, again, perfect for your baby's developmental stage. And they're just so spot on with her interests and the things she's just genuinely so excited about. So it's something that I would highly recommend checking out, whether you are a parent yourself or if you have friends who have kids or you know someone who is about to be a parent. I think this would make an incredible gift as well. If you guys want to try them out, you can save 20% off your first month using the code AnnieJaffrey. I will have a link for them down below in the description box. Again, the code is AnnieJaffrey, and that will save you 20% off your first KiwiCo Panda Crate. So during this time when Nalia is still napping, this is when I like to have my lunch. It's really calm and quiet at home. Moms with toddlers who still take naps, I'm sure you know this time of day. Breakfast and dinner we do eat together, and I really enjoy it, but there's just something like really calm about lunch. So I take a few minutes to myself, have a nice lunch, and then I still have other things that I need to get done when she's asleep. So I do like to have something prepared in advance so that I don't have to spend too much time cooking and prepping my food. This is something we actually had last night. This is sort of like chili bolognese. It's made with ground beef and lots of zucchini. It's really simple to make. I just first cube up the zucchini, I fry that on the pan for a few minutes. I put that on the side, and then I put in the ground beef, cook that for a few minutes, add some spices, some crushed tomatoes, and then I put the zucchini back in, just give it a stir, and it's ready. It's so quick and easy, and it is a favorite for everyone at home. And it's really easy to make a bigger portion of this, and it even tastes better the next day because all of the flavors really start to marinate, and it's just delicious. And then this sweet potato is actually from 2 nights ago, so I'm gonna have a little bit of that, and then some fresh cucumber as well. I always like to have some fresh greens with my meals. It's really great for skin health, and I just like the freshness and the crunch of some greens, especially cucumber. Okay, here's my lunch. Looks a little random, I know, but that's honestly how most of my lunches are these days. But it's very yummy and really nutritious. Good morning. Did you sleep well, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have some good dreams? What did you dream about?
Singles. Pussies.
Did you dream about Passies?
Yeah.
Oh, that must have been a good dream, huh? Okay, so this is Nalia's lunch today, similar to what I had. So we have the bolognese here with the zucchini, some cucumbers. I just removed the skin. She actually loves cucumbers like this. The crunch, also the fact that they're a little bit cold, I think it's really nice and soothing for her teeth, her gums. Some sweet potato, pasta, and some raspberries. You guys know I try not to overwhelm her plate with too much food. I rather put smaller amounts and then refill as she needs. I feel like she eats more that way. It's less overwhelming, and it's fun for her to be able to like grab each individual piece. And yeah, it just works well for us. So I refill as needed and whatever she wants more of. Which one do you want to use? Okay, you can use the fork.
Stretching, 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 stretching.
Okay, it's a little bit later. We're having a snack, some green juice. Annie likes green juice. But this one is quite bitter.
Then more bitter than better?
Bitter is very good for you. It's true. We've got green juice, but we've also got a cookie. You like the cookies too, right?
Yeah.
It's called Balance.
Balance.
Balance, yeah. She likes the balance.
Yeah. Can you do?
So Nalia loves her cookies, but I do try to make them at home and use more like healthy ingredients because she really does love her cookies. So these have almond butter, oats, an egg, some brown sugar, chocolate chips. Whoops. Yes, I'm here. So we're gonna share this. I actually prefer to have like sweet things in the middle of the day. I know maybe it's like you would have it at the end of the day, but for me it makes more sense to have it like midday, and you can like, especially for Nalia, like burn up the sugar like during the day, not just before bed.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Is it good? Can mommy have some?
So for dinner, I'm making burger bowls with salad and some roast veggies. We've been loving this combination lately, and it's really simple and easy to prep. So starting with the veggies, I'm going to be using carrots, onion, and garlic today. This is such a great go-to, easy to prep. Just pop it in the oven, and you can mix up the veggies. So you could do sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, beets. All of these cook really well together. So once everything is peeled and sliced, I drizzle some olive oil on top and some salt and pepper and oregano. You could also do fresh herbs, and then just mix it all together and place it on a baking pan, and this will go in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this is going to be so delicious. I've been on a real arugula kick lately. I just cannot get enough. I find it so delicious with just some olive oil, lemon juice, and salt as the dressing. So just making sure it's nice and clean. I love this salad spinner. I will have it linked down below. It's from Amazon. Then I place it back in the bowl that I used for the carrots. I add a drizzle of olive oil, salt, some lemon juice, mix it up, and then place it in our bowls. And as this is going, I am also grilling the burgers. And I like to use this iron grill pan. It gives a very like authentic sort of barbecue feel to the burgers. And here is the finished burger bowl. Unfortunately, I left the carrots in just a little bit too long, so they got quite toasty, but still okay to eat. And here is Nalia's plate. And again, I don't overwhelm her plate with too much food. I find that she eats a lot more this way, and then I refill as needed. But this was delicious.
I'm fresh and clean and showered, and I feel so good. This is truly one of my most favorite times of the day. I was just putting Nalia to sleep, and I was thinking about our day, and that I didn't mention the snacks and like the little things she has during the day. So she loves her snacks. For the most part, it's fruit. So bananas, apples, berries, she will have those between meals. It's just hard to film like every little thing that she eats, like when it's out and about. And then some days, for whatever reason, it can happen that she is just not into sitting down for lunch. And sometimes all she wants is like plain toast or plain bread. I think that's something that's pretty common with toddlers. I just wanted to mention that. And then also, I didn't mention my supplements that I take. I have a few key ones that I really love. Firstly, starting with my probiotic. I take the one from seed, 2 capsules daily on an empty stomach before breakfast. And then after my breakfast, I will take zinc. I will take my omega-3s. I'll take vitamin C, not every single day, but for a lot of the time I will take vitamin C. And then in the evening, I just took one now, magnesium. That's something that I take every single night. I just love it so much, and I really feel it in my body. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll make sure to have all the recipes and everything that I mentioned down below for you in the description box, as well as the link to KiwiCo. Again, you can use my code AnnieJaffrey to save 20% off your first order. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.